Alright, so don't know if you can tell that there's a quality difference in my video or not, but yeah. I had to get a new camera today. My GoPro decided to just go ahead and bite the dust. It's been doing this weird thing where if I plug it into a computer, it has to die before it registers that it's not connected anymore. So, time for an upgrade. Oh darn. While the camera was dead, we did do a little bit of stuff with this. We just lifted it up and put it on the stand. I mean, nothing really crazy. We did pull the valve cover off just to check it, pulled the spark plugs to look at them. It looks like it's just running a little bit lean, which it's leaking oil, so that's not totally wackadoo crazy of a problem. Huh? Yeah, it's leaking a lot of oil, but I mean, it was leaking out of the valve cover, all the little grommets on top of the valve cover, so we're gonna clean it up and try to figure out where it's leaking from, and Phoebe is just gonna go ahead and eat some more leaves.
Maybe.
You gonna eat more leaves? Are the leaves yummy? Do you like the leaves? They're crunchy. They got the crunch? Crunchy, crunchy. Oh, Daisy's gonna join us too.
Let's go.
So we're just gonna kind of pull this apart and yeah, clean it up. I don't know where I'm gonna put you guys so that you can see this. The garage is currently a big mess. Huh? Yeah, I know, it was just clean, and then we did a bunch of junkyard runs and this, that, and the other, and... Huh?
Picked up a motor.
Yeah, then we picked up an engine, and... fun stuff.
I don't know what those bolts to do, because those were sitting on top of the motor.
Probably like transmission or something.
I don't know. They glued on the...
Huh?
They glued on the...
These
Or is that like factory stuff?
factory still.
Mine aren't like that. Look up on Facebook and find a full car. Show them the estimate.
Javi requested I show you guys something. It's very important to him. We got a garage, which I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen. He just really wanted you guys to get the full effect of the garage opening. So, what we're dealing with, guys, is, just checking over everything. I'm gonna clean it up because it is absolutely disgusting. There's just little pockets of gunk. Blech. 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 But she's pretty clean on the inside. A little bit of gunk buildup, but I lifted up. It's got about I don't, what was it, 220,000 miles and then some. So it's to be expected that we have a little bit of gunk. I don't know. So we just gotta clean it up. He's already working on cleaning up the valve cover. My instruction is to start to pull these thingies away, but pull these thingies away, like pull it apart a little bit. I just need to figure out what I'm supposed to sit you guys on because I don't have my tripod. We also got the bolt for that off, so we can pull that off. So now that's sitting on the ground since, you know, the engine stand is in use. But Prelude is about to get some much needed love. It's okay. You guys are like as tall as me now. So now you should be able to see everything that I'm doing. How about that? How about that? Catch me outside. How about that? I don't even know like where to begin, honestly. Huh? Harness? Are the only snap-on tools that I own because they were given to me by a friend that didn't want a pink torque screwdriver set. So I officially own snap-on tools. I honestly don't like pink. It's one of like the colors that I hate the most. Not a fan, not against anyone that likes pink, just not my thing, you know? But I just found something kind of ridiculous. So now I've got to show you what I just found. I don't know if you're ready for this because I can't believe honestly what I just found. I was, you know, following this beautiful power connector over to the, you know, alternator. Noticed it's a little tight right here. That would be because whoever had this twisted their AC line. Like, what? What's? Why? Why? It doesn't even make sense for the people.
Yeah, you can just rotate that.
So, Javi cleaned up the valve cover. It's all these scratches, chunks, dings. Flipped it over and noticed something kind of detrimental. Yeah. So we're probably gonna have to get a new one, which is just gonna be for the best, I guess, since this is all like stained and marked and beat up. Add that to the pay list, because that's a lot of money.
I mean,
A lot of money.
could have just picked one today if I really don't care.
Could have.
That's what I said too.
Yeah. Alright, well, I'm just gonna finish getting the battery cable disconnected, and then I think we're gonna move over and put the valve cover gasket onto the CRV now that it's cooled. I'm driving it all day. But yeah, so phase 1 of K-Series teardown. Just dreaming about this pretty baby, soon to be pretty baby. She a little gritty right now. Going right into here. Future, past, new baby, old grandma, modern, outdated. I'm so excited. This is gonna be epic. I know, I didn't really want to sit earlier. I don't know why.
Okay.
Try it again. probably that broken lip.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's not gonna seat.
Well, if we can push it back into place.
Maybe try that one. Put it down. Let's start on that side. I don't even remember which side is broken.
Okay.
This is being a pain. Okay, so it's on the back side.
Which, I mean, even looking at it, it doesn't look like it'd be that much interference. Yeah.
Maybe it has something else.
I think it's something like here. That's what
Lift it
feels
up. I don't see why it would be sitting on anything.
I don't know.
Maybe some of the O-rings, like, kind of warped.
I don't think so. Unless one of these sitting higher than the other.
No, it was on there.
Right. Which one was it that had a broken? So weird. 'Cause it came off just fine. It's gotta be this.
What is that?
Looks like.
Yeah, it is. It's
What?
they're like kind of popping out.
Well, let's pull them off real quick.
This autofocus is so great. Focus. 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 I'm having too much fun, guys. Like, way too much fun. La-di-da-di-da, I have a new engine. La-di-da-di-da. This little Peta's gonna go bye-byes. If anyone wants an H23, all it needs is valve seals. Freshly rebuilt. It does run phenomenally, just smokes because of burning oil. Let me know. I'll sell it to you for a good price.